everyone, welcome to UVC's video.
Is that it?
Yeah,
I thought you were going to do like a proper full intro.
Oh, I don't know where the hell we are. We're in the Lake District somewhere.
Actually, it doesn't really matter where we are.
Well, it's beautiful, that's all that matters.
Yeah.
What's up everyone, welcome to my latest video, HardKNott Pass. Absolutely amazing ride, from beginning to end, nothing but thrills and nuts, and hope you enjoy it. See you later.
Actually, it's a good thing that car's in front of us. Bloody hell.
Yeah, you tell me that as you fall off the edge.
No, well, you've got something that we can see what's going on. So we don't get a car racing at us unnecessarily, so that's going to help. Because this is quite narrow. This is nice. So, unfortunately, we didn't know what the HardKNott Pass is, so we didn't do the HardKNott Pass, but now we are doing the HardKNott Pass. Meant to be some 30-degree gradients on the road. So it'll be interesting to see. If you can see in the distance there, it looks quite good. So Peter, what did you do before you fell to your death on HardKNott Pass?
Listen to you. I remember saying I don't want to do it.
I desperately want to do it. That's all I heard from you, mate.
Yeah, I apologise now for any screaming or foul language. I'm alright with the edges. It's that I'm not alright with.
This is awesome. Just stick to the right, mate. That's it. Whoa, this is nice. Awesome. This is the adventure that we were trying to find. I'm actually in first gear now. Normally I wouldn't even bother with anything less than more third gear, but you've got to keep the power on, especially when you get to these bends here. This is definitely a good thing, so you can't slow down. There we go, I had to put my foot down, fuck, you know. There we go. Easy does it. Beautiful. You've got to throw a little bit of clutch control right at the apex of the corner at the top, just because you've got to be so slow but also keep the power and the motor running. It's nice. So beautiful up here. Tell you what, I'm so glad we decided to do this, but it's a bad road. Oh, it's bumpy as anything. I'm not sure if anybody's noticed, but Peter is fucking, he's so quiet, he hasn't said a word in the last minute.
Dude, I am trying not to hit you, because you're going so slow. But you're absolutely right about the clutch control. You just got to pop the clutch,
yeah,
and just pull the throttle. But now we're caught up with the car.
Yeah, what we might do is just slow down a little bit, let them go up ahead.
Dude, you just didn't see that. You just the few behind us, but then again the few in front of us.
Yeah, well, we have to come back, mate. There's no ways we can just...
No, I'm not going back down there. I'm not going down there. I will find another way home.
I'll see you. I'll
Find another way home, pizza boy. I think I don't know what he's doing.
Oh, look at the learner bike, mate. If the learner is up here,
That's you. Yeah, isn't it? It's even worse on a bike. Leaning over the front wheel, make sure the front doesn't come up. Yeah. See you later.
So this is now 30 degrees going down, mate. So you might as well do it both ways.
No, you're all right. See, it's the hairpins. Oh, bloody hell, my back wheel just lifted straight off the floor.
Don't use so much front brake.
Well, I've got to. My rear brake doesn't exist. Oh, you guys are shitting me. You not see what's coming up?
Yeah, no. Well, wait here. So we'll have to take it very slow here, mate.
Oh my God.
This is awesome. Yeah, you just got to take it wide, and then we'll take it slow here. Yeah, there we go. Easy does it.
On the engine.
Doing about 2 miles an hour.
I'm stuck on it now.
What do you mean?
I'm stuck.
What do you mean?
As in,
Take your time. Don't rush. Take your time. Take your time. I'm waiting here.
Okay, here we go.
There we go. This is it, mate. This is it. There's nothing more. This road, we've made it our bitch. Fucking, but hear my brakes squeal. It's so hard I'm having to apply the brakes. It's awesome. I'm definitely doing that again.
Fucking ABS is going absolutely bananas.
Yeah, mine as well.
I'm gonna have to go in off-road mode, I think. Oh, fuck me.
It's awesome.
I just shit a brick. I did not like that. I'm not going. Oh, fuck me, that took off. I'm not doing that. No way. You by all means go up. I'll find the long way round and I'll meet you at the other end.
There's only one way out, mate, and this is it.
Yeah, I don't mind this now.
No, but there's only one way back to Windermere, and this is it.
No, it's not. There's always another way home.
Mate, we've got to go and get photos.
Go on, off your trot. It's a sensation, mate. It's just the front feels like it's lifting right up, like all the suspension travel's been taken out. Because I've got all that weight over the back.
Yeah.
On the back box. I think if I didn't have the back box, I'll be absolutely fine because I've got that weight.
Yeah.
Even when you put it up in the centre stand, it will automatically kick back onto the back wheel.
Yeah.
So when you're going up on a 30-degree angle like that, and you apply the power, the front is just automatically trying to lift. And on this bike, when that tries to do that, the traction control kicks in and backs the power.
Guess what? It's not finished.
Oh, this is nothing, mate. This is not it. See, I can fly around here. This is nothing.
So
compared to that.
So we'll come back up this way.
No. But honestly, Sean, I've got no problem with you going up there, mate. Go and take some fantastic pictures for me.
Yeah, I want to find a place to turn around and I'll go back.
And if you're not back at the hotel by 8 o'clock, I assume something's happened.
Say again?
If you're not back at the hotel by 8 o'clock, I assume something's happened.
This is a sharp one. And it's a double one as well. So make sure you hit left, wide, and then right. The problem is with my bike, you can't do much leaning on this weird angle because of the footboards and everything.
Yeah, see, I had no problem there. I actually physically stopped the bike without putting my feet down. See, I've got no... I'm learning the bike, so I'm learning what the bike can do. It's not the bike, it's me. It's my abilities that's the problem.
Mate, I can't not take photos of that. I'll stop here. I can't not take photos of that.
Well, why don't you go back up, and I'll park here, and I'll clean myself up. And you go and do it. Oh, look at that! I can't even get the fucking.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I can't help you. Because I physically can't get off my bike.
That's awesome. Classic.
It's alright.
I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah, I'll figure this shit out. Thanks, by the way.
Nice one, mate.